Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine into a custom one on TCL for NxtPaper. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and then you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your custom search engine. And now click here and then go to settings and click on search engine option, and in recently visited you should have now yep.com, so you can select that and then click back, and as you can see my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.